Hey guys, Heidemann here, doing another tier list, this time of Gen 1 Pokemon. This one will take a little bit longer. Okay, and I did check out that video that United Gamer was doing. They're just playing random games, like Short Tempered is hatching eggs, and United Gamer's doing his like randomizer special version of the game, I guess, until it actually comes out. So this is going to be an interesting one. But let's start with Bulbasaur in A, Ivysaur in B, Venusaur in A, Mega Venusaur in C, Charmander's A, Charmeleon's A, Charizard. Just because it's Gen 1, I'm going to go with S. Mega Charizard. I don't like him. He's okay. Putting Squirtle in S, Wartortle's in B, Blastoise up here. Mega Blastoise I'll put in B. Caterpie's alright. Metapod I don't really care for. Butterfree's okay. I like Weedle. He can go here with it. Kakuna can go with him. Beedrill can go up there. Mega Beedrill I'll actually keep on the same tier. Pidgey's alright right there. Pidgeotto's cool. Pidgeot is awesome. Mega Pidgeot. You know what? I'll stick him up there too. It's one of the megas I actually care for. The Rattata is Raticate. Spearow and Fearow. Ekans and Arbok. I'm not giving a whole lot of reason for this. It's like, this is my personal opinion. This is where I think they belong. Pikachu, Raichu, Sandshrew, Sandslash, Nidoran male and female. I'm just going to kind of randomly put them up here. I'm not going to try to keep them in order anymore. Nidorina, Nidorino, Nido Queen, and Nido King. Clefairy, Clefable, Vulpix, Ninetales, Jigglypuff, Wigglytuff, Zubat, Crobat, Oddish, Gloom, Vileplume, Paris, Parasect, Venonat, Venomoth, Diglett and Dugtrio, Meowth and Persian. I feel like I'm not making these very entertaining for you. I'm just kind of going around and doing what I like, what I'm doing. But it's like, if I give my personal opinion about everyone, it's like, and why I'm putting them there, I don't know what to say. It's just, this is just how I feel about them. Right? Like, I don't care for these ones at all. These ones are alright. But okay, but Psyduck, I like it, but it's kind of annoying. Right, I'll put it in B. Golduck I actually really like. I'm going to put in A. I have a soft spot for Mankey and Primeape. If I really like them, they go in A. Right. Growlithe is going to be A. Arcanine's got to be S. Right. Poliwag is okay. Poliwhirl is okay. Poliwrath is okay. Just hold their whole line. Abra's annoying. Kadabra's cool. Alakazam's awesome. Megalis is Kazam's weird. The Machop line, they all kind of go in B because they're alright. Bellsprout's weird. Weeping Bell is weird. Victory Bell's alright. I don't really care for these two at all. Geodude's annoying. Graveler's dumb. And Golem's okay. Ponyta's adorable. Rapidash is pretty cool. Slowpoke I don't really care for. Slowbro's okay. Mega Slow Bro. I don't care for. Magnemite's okay. Magneton. Go there. I like Farfetch. Farfetch can go in A. Doduo can go in B. Dodrio's in A. I don't really care about Seal and Dugong. Muck's good. I mean, Grimer's good. Muck's good. I'm gonna run out of room on the screen here. Shelter, I'll put in C. Cloyster, I'll put in A. Ghastly's gonna be A. Haunter's gonna be A. And Gengar's gonna be A. Mega Gengar, I'll stick him with A. I like him. Onix is okay. He can go in B. Not what would I find a Drowsy or Hypno. Kingler can go in A. I've always liked him. Never really cared for Voltorb or Electrode. Or Execute. Executor can go in B though. I like Cubone. Marowak's awesome. He can go up here. These two are pretty good. I like him more than him. Don't like Lickitung much. You can go and C. I don't hate him, but coughing and wheezing can go here. Right on can go here. Right horn or Fury? I don't remember. Which is which? Man, they didn't really show up. Chansey, I don't really care for. Tangela, I don't really care for. Kangaskhan's cool, but it's hard to find. Mega Kangaskhan, I don't care for. Horsey and Seadra. I'm just running out of room here. Goldeen can go in B, but Sea King is gonna be D. Staryu and Starmie can both go in B because they're okay. Mr. Mime I'm gonna put in C. I've never cared for it. Scyther I'm putting in A. Jinx I'm gonna go throw in D. Electabuzz can be Electabuzz is gonna go in A. How do I get there we go, A. Same with Magmar. Magmar gets A. Pinsir gets Pinsir gets A. Mega Pinsir gets B. Tauros I'm giving A. Magikarp gets D, but Gyarados gets A. Mega Gyarados gets C. Lapras I can give B. Ditto gets C. Eevee gets A. As do all the evolutions get A. None of them get S for me. Porygon gets B. Ammonite and Amistar get B. Kabuto and Kabutops can have A. Aerodactyl gets A. Mega Aerodactyl gets B. I just don't like a lot of the Megas any more than the other thing. Snorlax. Snorlax gets S. Articuno gets A. Zapdos gets A. Moltres gets B. Dratini gets A. Dragonair A. Dragonite A. I mean, they're all cool. Mewtwo gets S. Mega Mewtwo X gets B. Mega Mewtwo Y gets A. And Mew can be an S as well. So there's those. Right. I don't want to give a whole lot of explanation. This video is only about 10 minutes long. It's just there's not a whole lot of good reasoning you can give for where you put them, unless you're looking at it from like a competitive standpoint, which I am not, because I am not a competitive Pokemon player. I understand the basics of it, right? I know how to breed and raise a competitive Pokemon. I just don't like doing it. So I don't want to try any of these competitive, and I don't know how good they all are in competitive is my other thing. But that's where I have them. All right, well, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.